Good morning, dear students. Let's start constructions. Students, in previous session, I have explained to you how to construct a 90-degree angle and as well as 45-degree. Now, in today's session, we will discuss about the more angles, likewise 30-degree. So, let's start. Construct the angles of the following measurements. First, we have to construct 30-degree angle. स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको बहुत ही आसान तरीके से ये समझाने वाली हूँ। 30 डिग्री एंगल को आपको ये नोटिस करना है कि किसका मिड पॉइंट है। अगर हम नोटिस करें तो 0 और 60 का मिड पॉइंट जो होता है वो होता है 30। दैट मीन्स 30 इज एग्जैक्टली द मिडल वैल्यू ऑफ 0 एंड 60। सो in this way we have to construct a 60-degree angle first, and after that make arc from 0 degree and an arc from 60 degree, and that intersects at the exactly 30 degree. So students, let's start with the same process. First we make 60-degree angle, then its bisector. Bisector means sect in two equal parts. Steps of constructions are, first is draw a ray OA. Students, first of all you have to draw a ray OA and take O as a center, make a semicircle. Okay, draw an arc cutting OA at B, and after that, now taking B as a center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at point C. What does it mean, students? Students, you have to open your compass and remain same. Don't move your compass, don't move your radius. Okay, so by taking pinpoint at B point, mark an arc on the semicircle, and after that make a line which passes through this C point. In this way, this angle becomes a 60-degree angle, but we need to construct the 30-degree angle. So for that we make the middle point of B and C. So students, for that we take the pinpoint of compass at B point and mark an arc. In the same way, take pinpoint at point C, mark another arc that must intersect and say this point E. Okay students, whatever you want to name, that is your wish. Now from this O point, join OE. In this way, this angle will become 30-degree angle. So students, this is very easy. आपको जो भी एंगल बनाना है आप ये देखेंगे कि वो एंगल किसका मिडल मोस्ट है। ओके, एग्जैक्टली किसका मिड पॉइंट है। सो उसके लिए हम एंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट बाय यूजिंग द बाइसेक्टर मेथड we will construct the required angle. Here we have next question. Now we have to construct 22.5-degree angle. So students, 22 1 by 2. That means this angle is exactly half of 45 degree. So for that we have to make 45-degree angle. But students, in the previous session I have explained to you how to construct 45-degree, because 45-degree is the half of 90-degree. So in this way we have to construct first 90-degree angle. After that divide it in two parts by using the bisector method. We construct 45, and again using the bisector method we may construct 22.5-degree angle. So let's start with the rule. Steps of construction: draw a ray OA. Okay, and after that taking O as a center and any radius, draw an arc cutting OA at B. Students, you have to open compass of any radius, but remember one thing: if you open your compass suppose at 3 centimeter radius, then it should remain at 3 centimeter radius. up to the last question until we reach the required solution. So here place your pinpoint of compass at point B and mark an arc. And after that, again, place pinpoint at this point and mark another arc. Okay, we are going to construct the 90-degree angle. Now, taking B as a center and with the same radius as before, draw an arc intersecting the previously drawn arc at point C. With C as a center and the same radius, draw an arc cutting the arc at D. Okay students, by putting down your pinpoint of compass at point B, then mark a arc name as C. Again, put your pinpoint at point C, then mark another arc. Now, with C and D as a centers, radius more than half of CD, draw two arcs intersect at P. Students, with the same radius of the compass, you have to mark arc by put your pinpoint of compass at point C and that intersects must at point P. So in this way we join OP. This makes the 90-degree angle. And after that we have to make the 45-degree. So put your pinpoint at B point, mark an arc, and in the same way put your pinpoint at Q and mark an arc again. That makes the 45-degree angle. You can see here, yes, this is the 45-degree angle that we have already done in the previous video. But now in this question we have to construct the 22.5-degree angle. So students, for that take your pinpoint of compass at B point, mark an arc, and after that in the same way take pinpoint at C and mark another arc. In this way these two arcs intersects and this is the middle of the 45-degree. In this way this makes the angle 22.5-degree angle. So students, you can see here, yes, here is the solution. So join OT, thus AOT is the 22.5-degree angle. Now here we have third part of the same question. Now we have to construct the 15-degree angle. Now students, 15 is the middle point of 0 and 30. So first we have to construct the 90-degree angle. Then half of 90 is 45. Then half of 45 is 22.5. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हाफ कंसेप्ट यूज़ करके 22.5 डिग्री कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था. बट नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट वी मेक 60-degree एंगल and half of 60 is 30 and half of 30 is 15-degree. So first we have to construct this 60-degree angle. Okay, so for the same we make a line OA and draw a semicircle by taking O as the center, and you can open your compass at any radius, but remember one thing, that radius must be constant throughout the statement unless you reach the solution. Taking O as a center and any radius, draw an arc cutting OA at B. After that, now taking B as a center, okay, B as a center, you can also say that by putting your pinpoint at B, mark an arc on the semicircle. So in this way, this cuts at the 60-degree. So join OC and extend to D. This makes 60-degree angle. But now students, we need to calculate the 15-degree. For that we construct a 30-degree angle. 30 is the half of 60-degree. So in this we take the pinpoint at B and mark an arc, and again take pinpoint of compass at C, mark another arc. So join this intersecting point with O. That makes the 30-degree angle. Okay, you can see here, yes, we have made the 30-degree angle. Now students, in the same way we have to construct the 15-degree angle. 15 degree is the half of this angle. So we again put pinpoint at B point, mark an arc. In the same way, put this pinpoint at this and mark another arc. Okay, so join this intersecting point to O. In this way, this make the angle 15 degree. So join OE, angle AOE is 30 degree, and after that you can see here, mark point P where ray OE intersects the arc. Taking P and D as a center with radius more than P by B over 2, draw arcs intersecting at F. Now join this OF. This makes the angle 15 degree. So students, this is the very easiest method how to draw an angle. So if examiner asks to draw an angle, first of all you have to identify that angle lies in the middlemost of which two angle. So after that you will go according to the rule. So students, hopefully all of you understand the constructions. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.